you want to make this face, not the body, the face, follow my steps. So first, you are going to need to draw 3 dots. One right here, one right there, right there. So, our first dot, you need to start like that, like that, like that. So then, you're going to go all the way down and back up. Straight down, over. Wait. No, don't do that. So first, you're going to start from right here, right there, and then go right down, all the way back up, and all the way down. Over, down, over, up, down, over, over. Now it's time for the nose part. All you need is a line right there, and a line over, and a line up. Then for the lip, you're just gonna scoop, and then you need it for the nose, dot, 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 boom. That easy. And for the body, I don't know how to do that, but I just drew oring up, and I don't know what I just did for the legs, but I was gonna go like that. And the arms, I just did one small and big, and you can give it a name. I'm gonna give it Larry, L-A-R-Y, Larry. So if you want to know how to draw something else, watch this. So, wait, I'm gonna draw 3 dots. And after you're done with the 3 dots, grab right here, down, and then now you go right back up to the dot, and I'll circle it, and I'll go back up, and up, back down, and then circle it. It needs to be like a bump, and that line, up, down, and a bump. You show that first dot right there, then you go all the way over to the other dot, and all the way to the other dot. Then you're gonna make a big circle. Oh, if you're running about the hat, you use draw a line, and then a scoop, and then you draw coloring in, and you make a line, and then you put a circle on top of it. Okay, back to this one. Then you pick another big scoop, and you make a eye, another eye. Oh shoot, that could be his nose, my nose. Then now a eye, then a sweep, and then we need a sweep, and then okay, like that. One eye is open, one eye is closed, and one open. Okay, now it's time for the body. Wait. Need some ears real quick. So then we need a body. So you're gonna start from right here, like a neck, and then you go right down, and a scoop. You go like that. It's coloring. And for the arms, you're gonna do just like that. So you're gonna color it in. We need this one. Now we need some legs. Okay, now I'm gonna name this one. Bye. Okay, these are the steps to make these 2. Okay, so this is step 1. So this is drawing 1. And this is drawing 2. Bye. See you in the next one.